Pakistani meal, we have here like this meat, lentils, and the naan bread. We're making the naan bread that we just ate. They put it here like in this oven, and there it is. Okay, something very interesting here in Pakistan is that places are segregated by gender. So for example, on the ground floor, it's just men. And then if you're with women or families, like you have to go upstairs, which is where we just went. So this is the only men's section and upstairs families. So here we have the actual library, which used to be the palace of the king, right? 500 years ago. So we have these desks here and people just come here and study. To be honest, it's a very inspiring place. So quiet and peaceful. So this is the oldest part of the library, but on the other side we have other parts. Another part of the library. We're in another part of the library now. This is very old newspapers and they have hundreds of them.
Thousands of them.
Okay, thousands.
74 years.
Wow. Here we have the year. This is from 1992. All of them. September to October 89. Wow. It's like traveling back in time, this place. So doctors, students, researchers or whatever, when they need to check something, to cross-check, because it was not digitalized back in the day, they just come here, read those old journals and newspapers to find the information. Like they used to do it before the internet existed, basically. That's fascinating. Here we have the main gates to the mosque. Gorgeous. And here on the other side, the fort of Lahore, right? Beautiful. It's a Sikh monastery. You guys, this is my welcome gift in Lahore. It's a typical thing. It smells amazing. I love it. My flower bracelet. Thank you, Mohsin. This is his gift.
My pleasure to have you actually.
My local friend here in Lahore. And local guide almost. It's next to the walled city of Lahore. It's 500 years old and it's just gorgeous. It's very similar to the one in Delhi because it was built under the same ruler, under the same prince. So, but this one's slightly bigger and also the architecture is slightly different, even though it's very similar. This is outside. Here there used to be like a river. Now it's all dry, but... Okay, we're now inside the walled city. Wow. With the calling for prayer in the background. This is one of the restaurants with these amazing views of the mosque. Never did I think that I would attend theater play in Urdu, but it just happened. Unfortunately, I didn't understand anything, but it looked so cool. The actors were amazing. It was a pretty interesting experience. And now at the end, we just met the director because it's Mohsin's friend. So it was pretty cool. And it was for free. So here we have a very typical sweet from Pakistan. It's made of wheat. Yes. It's delicious, actually. Okay, so hello guys. Now we're here in Islamabad with our friend Tahir.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. So basically he brought me like to a workshop, right, or something like that, where they decorate the tracks of Pakistan because like this is a typical thing here. So let's go check it out.
ये स्पेन से आया
Yes, Spain से और Ronaldo.
They know Ronaldo.
Ronaldo, but he's Portuguese.
वो पुर्तगाल से स्पेन से नहीं है.
But he used to play in the Madrid.
Yeah, he plays in Madrid.
Yeah. So everyone here seems very amused, like to have a foreigner. Like we have like all these children behind, like following us. Yes. So before, this is how it looks like, and results. How much money it is like to paint like a truck?
It is around $1,200. Just like the painting of this thing. It's all painting.
They also decorated like inside.
Yeah.
And it's fresh paint because I can smell it. It's really so trippy. Guys, look, like this looks like a club. Like not even like a truck. This is the steering wheel.
Yeah.
You kidding?
Steering is like they're just fixing the electronics things. That's why it's closed. This is the race and like that.
This is the first time I'm sitting on a truck. And even here, like, look at all the ornaments. Like, it's so cute. Wow. I don't know if I would be able to drive with so many distractions, actually. You guys, look at all of this. It's so cute and so beautiful. It's amazing, the work behind all of this.
These are the sound when the truck goes. So there is a sound. Yes.
It basically takes them like 25 days to complete like a whole track. You won't see like a single track on the road that is not like super colorful and super trippy. Like it's a cultural thing. So they'll bring them here so that they get ornamented and decorated. Okay, so here we are in the workshop. This is where they make like all the pieces and all the material that then they put in the track. Like check this out, like all the designs. Now we're coming to another shop of another guy. Guys, this is the way to go, okay? Like, yeah, all these different designs. So basically he's an artist.
Yeah.
A ver? Wow, nice.
He painted this.
So this is Isaac?
Yes.
Isaac, who's the artist who's making like all these designs. Not only designs for the tracks, but like also like a mirror, mugs.
Handcraft.
Wow, this one's so
This
beautiful.
is from Karachi bus, the Karachi bus local.
So these kids are loving this guy who used to be the Prime Minister of Pakistan, right?
Yeah, and
But now he's in jail.
Legally in jail because of USA and our army is not happy with him. That's why they put him into jail. Last 1 year almost.
I understand. Yeah, so even children adore him, as you can see. Well, and if you thought that was all, stay tuned because I have other vlogs in Pakistan with more adventures coming up. So if you want to see more of Pakistan and its breathtaking landscapes, stay around. See you soon!